Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Unboxing Tomorrow side quest in electronics, robotics, and communication systems. Today, I figured I'd share something I stumbled across just randomly. This is actually a live blockchain viewer, and every character that you see on the screen here represents a real-world pending transaction. Now, I've got to say I don't know a whole lot about the project, but it's a really cool website that works with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Monero. And as you can see on the screen here, every character is a different size, and their size represents the amount being transacted. I've seen a lot of other blockchain viewers, including the one on the earlier video. Easily, this is my favorite so far. I would even go so far as to say it's what the crypto space really needs right now. And I think this is partially due to crypto in general kind of having a approachability problem. A lot of people, for whatever reason, are still standoffish about it. And unfortunately, when you try to explain to people things like the cryptographic algorithms and the hashing, the block times and so forth, you can accidentally wind up boring people and they'll just sort of tune out and give up on it altogether. This, on the other hand, is actually pretty fun to watch. It's almost completely interactive, so you can click on things and not only see a lot of details like the addresses involved, the block sizes involved, the block times and things like that, you can learn the vocabulary. As someone who's holding like 20 different cryptos right now, something like TxStreet is a really good tool for just quickly learning how some of these new cryptos work, comparing them side by side, and just getting kind of a general feel for how they're being used. So for example, today, just this afternoon, I was noticing when you have Bitcoin right next to Bitcoin Cash on this website, the typical Bitcoin Cash transaction, just from my own observation, tends to be a lot smaller than the typical Bitcoin transaction. On a traditional blockchain viewer, I never would have picked up on that. So are there other websites doing this? I honestly have no idea. I think the next best thing I've seen so far is the IOTA Tangle, which I think is really cool, but these visualizations with TxStreet make things so much more intuitive. Like I mentioned earlier, I will be launching a couple of decentralization projects for this blog itself. It's not an ICO, it's not a coin or a token or anything like that. Hoping to kick that off around June or July, depending on how things go. So let me know if you'd like to see that in the future, and I can try and expedite it. And as always, I should mention that these projects are made possible thanks to our affiliates, including Satoshi Labs, maker of the Trezor cryptocurrency wallet. A crypto wallet, or a hardware wallet, is a key storage and key management device that can secure your cryptocurrency without the need for a centralized exchange. I've been using Trezor wallets for many years, and the system works for Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and several others. You can support this blog and protect your crypto at the same time by visiting the link in the video description. Stay posted for the next project in electronics, robotics, and communication systems, and as always, have a great day.